What's up guys, Aditi and welcome back to my channel. So for this video I decided to make a cake by just using the 3 ingredients. So for this you need some biscuits, some baking powder and some milk. And the exact measurements will be in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. And if you make it, just tag me or send me a picture. I would love to see it. And trust me, this cake is super amazing because it contains Oreos and bonbon, and who doesn't love those, like really. So to start with, you are going to crush your biscuits using your blender and then pour in half the milk and mix it all up. Then using baking powder we are going to add it into the mixture, and this will kind of thicken up a little, so make sure that you mix everything perfectly well and then add in the remaining milk and keep on mixing it till it's all well combined. This process will take a while, so be patient and just take your time and make sure that you combine everything perfectly so that there is no lumps here and there. So I've already greased my container with some butter, but you can also use oil, and then pour in your batter and microwave it for 5 minutes, and that's it. Like literally 5 minutes is what you need. And then go ahead and check it with the toothpick. If your toothpick is clean, that means your cake is ready, and if anything stuck to your toothpick, that means it's not ready yet. So make sure that you put it again for another 15 seconds or so. And that's it, your cake is ready. It's super soft and it tastes delicious. And trust me guys, once I made this cake, it disappeared in like 5 minutes because I have my siblings who love cake, and that too with Oreos. So I hope you guys like seeing this video. If you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you make it, make sure that you tag me or send me a picture. I would love to see it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.